Let me show you 3 houseplants that can reduce dust in your home. First, we have the pygmy date palm. This is a small palm with feathery fronds that can catch dust with their tiny hairs. It also absorbs some harmful gases like carbon monoxide and formaldehyde. It needs bright light, moderate water, and regular misting and fertilizing. The second plant is the rubber plant. This is a large plant with glossy leaves that have a waxy coating that attracts dust. It also removes some toxins like benzene and xylene. It needs bright light, water when dry, and monthly fertilizing and pruning. The third plant is the spider plant. This is a low-maintenance plant with slender leaves that have fine hairs that trap dust. It also eliminates some pollutants like formaldehyde and carbon monoxide. It needs bright light, water when dry, and bi-weekly fertilizing and trimming. These plants will reduce dust in your home, which are the tiny particles of solid or liquid matter that can be harmful to your health, especially if you have allergies.